and welcome to tutorial 5 of the Changing Tides blanket crochet along. I'm Eleonora, the designer behind Coastal Crochet, and all the details about this blanket crochet along are over on my blog. The description are in the links below. So this tutorial is to accompany round 27, which is actually 4 separate corner pieces. So it's this ruffle edging that we are creating in round 27 that just frames that corner, and we're doing that on every single corner, just that ruffle edging, and then in the middle keeping those trebles from round 25 exposed, because that's what we'll be doing in this round 27. We're actually crocheting around the posts from those trebles in round 25. It's a lovely texture to this blanket, resembling more of that sea foam and sea spray. So I will show you how to do this. And when we're doing these rounds, obviously make sure that the front of the work is facing you. This is what the back will look like, and it's the texture at the front of the work that we want. So make sure that you have the front of the work facing you. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be crocheting around these trebles which we made in round 25. And so we're going to join yarn C to the 11th treble stitch in from any left outer edge of round 25. So if you have a look here, there's the corner, and we are going to be counting the 11th treble stitch in. So this one counts as number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the one we're going to be joining the yarn around. So get your next colour, so yarn C, which in my case is the cream colour, and just pull that through. I'm going to be joining that around this stitch. And now we make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that counts as 1 double crochet stitch, US single crochet, and 3 chain. And then we're going to be doing 1 raised double crochet front around the same stitch, and all that means is we're going to be inserting the hook from the front through to the back, round to the front again, and just working an ordinary double crochet US single crochet stitch. Simple as that. And then to get across to the next treble stitch, we just make 2 chain. So 2 chain, and then repeat the process here. So going around the treble from round 25, insert the hook from the front to the back, round to the front again, and just work a double crochet stitch. Make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and work a double crochet around that same stitch. Make 2 chain, 1, 2, and then we go across to the next treble stitch, inserting the hook around the post of that stitch and working a double crochet US single crochet around that stitch. Make 3 chain, and then a double crochet around the same stitch. Make 2 chain to bring us over to the next treble, this one here, and just repeat that process. And then I'll show you now what it looks like. And then we're just getting that really ruffly edge. This is the tail that we started with. We'll be weaving that in later. But as you can see, you just get a really nice ruffled edge around those posts from the trebles in round 25. So keep going like that all the way to the corner, and I'll show you what we do when we get to the corner. So make 2 chain between the treble stitches raise double crochet front around that treble stitch as normal, then make 3 chain between the double crochets. There we go, and carry on. So I'm just coming up to the very last treble stitch of this particular edge. So make 2 chain and the raised double crochet front around the post of that treble stitch. Make 3 chain and then a double crochet around the same point. And now at the corner, actually we don't do anything different. We literally just, as we have before, make 2 chain and then go across to that next treble stitch on the other side of the corner, work the double crochet, US single crochet around the post of that treble, make 3 chain and then another double crochet in the same way. And there you can see we've now gone around the corner, and then we carry on to the 11th treble on this side. So obviously we've just done the first, and we just carry on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry on that process all the way until the 11th treble on this next side. Make 2 chain between the stitches, 1 double crochet, US single crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then another double crochet, US single crochet around the same stitch, and go along until the 11th treble, stitch along. So I've just gone around the 11th treble stitch. If you turn the work, you can see what it looks like on the back, and you can quite clearly see where the treble stitches are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I've gone around the 11 stitches, and all we do now is we just fasten this yarn off. So get some scissors, cut the yarn and then pull through to fasten it, and obviously we will then weave in the ends at a later stage. And so there you can see, if I lay it out flat, that is the ruffle edge going round one corner. We leave some central ones, that's just part of the design. I quite like that. The corners give a little bit of a frame to the blanket, and I just like the way it doesn't go all the way around. So we repeat this on each corner. So go to the next corner, and again then locate that 11th treble stitch in from the left outer edge. So there's the corner, there's number 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is the stitch. We will now be repeating that whole process around, and it just leaves these ones exposed. So carry on repeating that on every single corner. And when you've done all 4 corners, you can see that you have this lovely ruffle edge to resemble that sea foam and sea spray going around each corner. Lovely effect, and it's adding lots of texture to our blanket. So I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.